Once again, Andy and Nick completely blow my mind when it comes to their ability to fabricate, when it comes to their ability to overcome obstacles that are thrown in front of them. Their fabrication skills are just amazing. There's absolutely no way that I could have ever done this by myself. Without these two guys helping out, this project probably would have stalled, and quite honestly, I don't think I would have taken it on in the first place. The original design from Jerrdan, the wheel lift manufacturer, they would have had a frame structure that would then bolt onto a truck frame. The scrap components that the previous owners of this truck built this out of, we didn't have anything from them that we could have recycled into this project. So we decided to start from scratch. And in doing so, I believe Andy and Nick came up with some pretty genius ideas as to how to mount the wheel lift into the frame in a strong manner that's going to resist bending and twisting. We shouldn't have any issues as far as the frame's strength and integrity goes. This wheel lift in this truck is not going to be used to do like wrecker services, so I'm not going to be out there pulling people out of ditches. I'll never be forced to pick something up that's larger than the safety or my comfort level with this truck. So, you know, if you're a tow truck operator, maybe you get dispatched out and you just got to make it work. You gotta overload your truck and get a vehicle safely off the side of the road. And in my situation, that's never going to be how this truck's going to be used. This truck's going to be used to pick up dead passenger cars, minivans, and maybe small SUVs. So if I get in a situation where I have a bigger vehicle that I need to move, well then I'll hire that out, or I'll go get a trailer and transport that vehicle that way. This truck is not going to be used for heavy duty use, and so the way this all got put together, the way that everything's welded in, I feel confident that there's some structural integrity here and that we've more than satisfied those issues or those concerns as far as the strength of the truck is concerned. So hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned. There's a lot more videos to come on this build, and we'll start playing around with the controls and, you know, see what this thing can do as far as lifting up a vehicle out here in my car lot.
Hi, Tom. Come on, camera shy.